Hi kids, so today you have a new assignment. Okay, we're going to learn a new app. It's called BandLab. Your assignment, your task is very simple. You have to download a karaoke track, put it into the app, and then you have to sing over it. Okay, so you need to record two layers basically. So I'll show you how it's done. But before we proceed, this is a quick tutorial for all those who don't know how to download a track. So first, you decide a song that you already know to sing. For example, say Yellow by Coldplay. But when you do that, don't download the song. Don't forget to write karaoke. Then go to videos. Okay, as you've gone on videos, first play all the videos that pop up. See what suits you. What are you comfortable singing on? The song is of your choice, so whatever song you pick, make sure the lyrics are clean. Okay, now suppose I pick this song. This is the track I want to sing over. Okay, I will go down to the share button. And I'll copy the link. And then I'll go back to Google and I'll type YouTube to MP3. Okay, this is my step. I'll look for this converter called YTMP3. And I will copy my link here. Make sure you're saving it in MP3 format and not MP4. And then say convert. Click on the blue button that says download and wait for the track to download. Okay, now I know my track is downloading here. I can see it on the top. So once my track has downloaded, what I will do is I will airdrop it to my other device, or I will save it to my email it to my other device on which I'm going to open the new app. Okay, this is step one. I hope you have all learned how to download a song. Now moving on to step 2. Okay, now I'm on step 2. I've gone to Play Store or I've gone to App Store and I've typed BandLab, and this is the one, the red icon that I need to choose. This app, not any other app, just this app, and I need to open it. At first, when the first time you do it, it will ask you for some login ID, so you just type your Google ID and it should take you to this page. Okay, now that my song Yellow is already onto this device, I have these options: import track, voice, mic, looper. Okay, these are the multiple options. I'm going to go to the first one, click on music library, go to songs. Okay, look for my song. Now in this case, say I want to sing the song Billionaire. So I've typed Billionaire and this is how it has popped up here. Okay, so Billionaire is right here. Now if I play it, it sounds like this. This is the play button at the bottom. Alright, now I want to add my voice onto Billionaire. So I'll click on the plus button at the bottom and it opens all these options again. So I'm going to go to voice and mic. Okay, and when you're recording over any track, you got to make sure that you're using headphones, because if you don't use headphones or earphones with microphone, with a microphone option, for example something as simple as this, which has a microphone option here. Okay, these are very basic headphones that you have available. You could have these or anyone else, but as long as you have a little microphone, what happens is when you record, you're recording directly using this as the mic. Now if you I'll show you what happens if you don't use the mic. This is what happens. Okay, to record, I'm going to press the red button. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad, trying all the things I never had. I'm gonna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah Okay, this is my recording. Now to hear it, to listen to it, I need to press on this down arrow. Okay, so this is my song, this is my voice, and now to play it, I start from the beginning and I hit on play. So what has happened is, because I have not used earphones, it's sounding very harsh. Okay, everything is blended, the audio is not a separate track. This is a mixed track of the audio and the song, but I just need my audio. So what I will do is I will just delete it, and I'm going to plug in my earphones. I'm recording with my earphones. Okay, so I can already hear the mic feedback into my ear. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. I'm gonna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Okay, so this is the second time that I have recorded, and this time I've recorded with earphones in my ear. Alright, so let's listen to it now. I'm going to plug out my earphones. I'm going to go back to the arrow. Okay, now when I swipe, I can swipe this further like this. I can swipe this in and out. Now this is the song, right? So if I minimize it completely and if I keep this on, you'll be able to hear only my voice and not the music. Listen to it. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Okay, to add the music, I just drag this and I adjust it. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Okay, so this is how I have recorded the song. So I want you to record the entire song, record your audio, just go through the instructions. Once you are done, how do you save it? Oh, another thing, please make sure you adjust your volume. Listen to yourself, okay? If the music is too loud, make it soft. Adjust your voice, okay? See the balance. Make sure your balance is right. To save, on the top left corner, click save. Save and change the name of the song. So I'm going to save it as Billionaire 5B. Okay, you could choose any song of your choice. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is click on this button on the top. It will bring you back to this page. Okay, and this is your song. Okay, and how do you send it to me? Again, alright, how do you send it to me? What you're going to do is, once you click on the track, click on private, say copy private link and copy it in your email and send it. Or another option is you download it, download the track, copy, save it and send it to me. Okay, so this is your overall task for today. First, you need to download the song, decide the song that you want to sing, download the karaoke track. Step 2 is you download BandLab from App Store or from Play Store if you're using an Android phone or any other Android device. You follow all the steps that I have shown you in the video. Record your song, record singing separately, use a microphone, and once you're done, please save your song and send it to me on email. Make sure you send it to me today because I'm giving you the entire class to work. So treat this as your class assignment right now. Thank you and looking forward to your assignment.